Hi friend, in this video we will learn both A and B class contain test method. Then what will happen after A equal to new B, B equal to new A dot test and B dot test. Okay, so without wasting any time, just have a look. Actually, in many interview, this question is asked by the interviewer. So I have decided to make a video on this. So I think it will be helpful for you. Okay, so then just have a look on this. So here I have created a two class A which contains test method. Okay, this is test A. Class B which contains same name test method. Okay, and here I have printed this is test B. Okay, this is my main program, and here I have initialized the object. I have instanced the object. So A equal to new B. Okay, first we will look what is possible and what is not possible. A new B, is it possible? Yes, is it possible? So B equal to new B, is it possible? Yes, is it possible? B equal to new A, is it possible? Okay, so it is not possible. Okay, it will give an error. What's error? Cannot implicit convert type constructor A to constructor B and explicit convert in the next stage. This is a child class, and child class cannot contains the parent class. Okay, but parent class can contains the reference of child class. So because of this reason, this is not possible. And it will write this code on a notepad, and will ask you B equal to new A, and then what will happen? B dot test. So just keep in mind, if this is a child, then child can't hold a reference of A. Child can't hold a reference of parent class. So it will give an error. Just keep in mind, because A equal to new B, is it possible? Because this is a parent class. Parent class can hold a reference of a child class. Okay. So this is a important point in this parent and child class relationship, because we need to keep in mind this thing. Okay, now what is your answer? A dot test. Okay, here I am writing A dot test. Then with which class method will get execute? Will it execute B class method, or will it execute A class method? What do you think? Okay, what do you think? So here is your answer. Okay, what is answer? This is test A, this is test A. So it has executed what it has executed? It has executed this is test A, means it has executed A parent class test method. Okay, because here I have taken a class object of A parent class, so it has executed parent class method. Now comes on the second point. Interviewer also asked this question, public A and public B. Okay, this is two constructor, class A constructor and class B constructor, and interviewer asked the question, if I will make a child class object, then both the class constructor will execute or not? What is your answer? Both the class constructor will get execute or not while I am making an instance of B class, because A is inherited by B. So here is your answer. Yes, both the class constructor will get executed. Okay, now the third point comes on. Third point, if I will write B dot test, then which class method will get execute? Will it execute A class test method, or will it execute B class test method? What is your answer? Just take a. Okay, it has executed B class test method. Okay, and what is and a constructor demo we have seen. Okay, but suppose interview do some tricky thing. Interview say that, okay, while I am writing A equal to new B, a equal to new b, then I want to execute b class test method. Okay, because when I will write a equal to new b and a dot test, then it will execute my parent class test method. But interviewer says that no, I want to execute b class test method. So what will you do in that scenario? Simply you'll have to write here virtual, and here you will write override. Okay, now it will execute this is test b. Okay, just have a look on this. Okay, this is test b. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.